What if the ancient Roman elite's secret to relaxation was just rediscovered beneath the waves? Imagine a world where luxury baths, once frequented by senators and statesmen, now lie hidden under meters of seawater. Until now. Recent underwater excavations in the campy Phlegraean Archaeological Park have unveiled a remarkable find, a Roman thermal bath, possibly linked to the legendary villa of Cicero himself. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this discovery rewrite our understanding of Roman engineering and elite lifestyles? Let's dive in. At the heart of the Baia Underwater Park, within the submerged Portus Iulius, archaeologists have unearthed a thermal environment at a depth of just 3 meters. The structure, dating back to the Roman era, boasts a mosaic floor still intact in its original position, supported by pilae, tiny brick pillars that once allowed hot air to circulate through a cavity beneath the floor. Walls are embedded with tubuli, or heating tubes, a clever system that evenly warmed the room, much like a modern sauna. This setup aligns with a laconicum, a Roman equivalent of a steam room, often part of grand private baths. But the story doesn't end there. Among the artifacts recovered are ceramic fragments that could hold the key to unraveling the site's history. Initial studies suggest these materials might reveal not only construction techniques, but also the mysterious circumstances that led to the bath's abandonment. And this is the part most people miss. The possibility that this very hall could be the baths of Cicero's villa, a site mentioned in ancient texts but never conclusively identified. The Portus Iulius, once a bustling port and residential hub, sank beneath the sea due to bradyseism, a slow geological uplift that shifted land and sea levels. This discovery underscores the architectural sophistication of Roman engineers who blended public and private functions in their designs. Even the walls whisper secrets. Fragments of pictorial decoration, though waterlogged, hint at once vibrant frescoes that adorned the space. These remnants, surviving centuries underwater, suggest a taste for opulence that matched the grandeur of Roman baths. Next autumn, restoration efforts will focus on the mosaic floor, which has developed concretions from mortar residues, and the preservation of wall surfaces to protect the faint traces of paint. By combining these efforts with ceramic analysis, researchers hope to map the timeline of the site's construction, use, and eventual demise. So, what do you think? Is this truly Cicero's bath, or is the connection a leap of historical imagination? The debate is wide open. Share your thoughts. Does this discovery deserve a place in Roman history, or is it a case of overzealous archaeology? The sea has given up its treasure. Now it's up to us to decide its legacy.